Japan has one vending machine for every 40 people. Japan is thought to have one of the highest densities of vending machines in the world, with one for every 40 people in the country. While most sell various types of beverages, others feature ice cream, noodles, and disposable cameras. Japan is known for having a high density of vending machines, which can be found in many public places such as streets, train stations, and convenience stores. The exact number of vending machines per person varies depending on the source and the specific location. But it is generally acknowledged that Japan has a high concentration of vending machines compared to other countries.